Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the wicked awesome gardener, and today I'm going off on an adventure. I'm going to the Homesteaders of New England conference in Greenfield, New Hampshire, hosted by the Mindful Homestead with such guests like Goldshaw Farm and Homesteady. Really excited for this weekend, even though I have to cut today a bit short for Carrie rehearsal, but I'll be going back for the full day tomorrow, so let's go. All right, here I am. I have arrived at the Homesteaders of New England conference here in Greenfield, New Hampshire. And I'm going to say there's maybe, I don't know, about 100, 150 cars here. So a nice sized event. I think this is kind of like my practice run for Homesteaders of America next month. I have found friends. Ta-da! I have found friends. This is Erica here from Flicker Hill Homestead.
Hi guys!
Yay! I thought that was you when I saw you on the path, but I wasn't sure. But I'm like, she'll get here eventually and I'll film a little bit. But
It's good.
Woo! Spent some time over at the Murray McMurray hatchery tent there where they've got some adorable little chicks, and I walked away without buying any because I don't have a chick set up. And there are a couple of Cornish cross over there that are about 6 weeks old, and they are here as special guests to be part of the chicken processing demo in a little bit, which I'm definitely going to be going and watching and show you guys. I also got some pretty cool swag. It said, "Buy me chickens and tell me I'm pretty." I'm pretty sure that would work for me. So far been a really fun morning. I saw a talk on practical seed staving by Rich Giordano, and that was really cool. And I got, of course, a fun tomato. This apparently, so the story goes, came from a friend of his who used to work at the Vatican, and when he left his job, he took a tomato, saved the seeds, and this is a paste tomato that was apparently the favorite of the Pope and grew at the Vatican. So now Rich has been growing it for years and years, and I got half the tomato with a bunch of seeds in it. So I'm definitely going to have to grow these next year. I actually can't stay any longer today. I've got to get to rehearsal for Carrie, but on my way out, I am definitely going to enjoy this cinnamon maple roll from Midnight Maple Farms, and they've got a pretty cool stand here. They're making some cinnamon waffles and using their own special maple syrup. They've got all sorts of cool things, so I'm going to link them down in the description, a link to their website or social media such as I find, so that you can enjoy this too. Okay, that's really good. Hey, hey, editing Dani popping in like a week later because I realized that I never actually signed off this video. So, until next time, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.